The past few months have seen Pittsburg County residents up in arms about planned wind farms. On 2 News Oklahoma's Douglas Braff, and I listen to their concerns and share them with local officials and a company involved. Hundreds of wind turbines are planned to be built in Pittsburg and McIntosh counties beginning around 2030, with companies already making deals with area landowners. But some passionate locals aren't big fans of them, so to speak.
Our objective for people who are opposed is to stop them from being built in this area.
I sat down with Joseph Smetansky, who lives near Lake Eufaula. He moderates a 600-person public Facebook group opposed to wind turbine projects in Pittsburg County. Some of the most common concerns from him and those in the group I saw related to economic impact, safety, and maintenance. But probably the most contentious part of this issue centers around Eufaula Lake.
When you start thinking of up to 900 turbines, all 90 feet taller than the St. Louis Arch, that will radically change the lake life.
But let's see what the chairman of the Pittsburg County Commissioners has to say.
I don't know if it would affect their, wanting to be here or not, but I think for the local people, it's not, you ain't gonna keep these folks out of the water.
Well, Ross Selman had little opinion on tourism and preserving the lake views. His main concern was government overreach.
I'm not getting on no one's property and telling them what they can and can't do.
I also shared residents' thoughts with one of the companies planning wind farms in the region called Steelhead. Regarding any impact to the lake views, all their senior regional manager had to say to me was, quote, "The Bluegrass Breeze Wind Project is west of Highway 69 in Pittsburg County. We're not developing this project on Eufaula Lake." What would you say to the commissioners?
Something we've asked for is a moratorium, and they have implemented a road moratorium.
But now they're asking for a blanket moratorium. What would this moratorium do exactly?
What they look like is a blanket declaration that nowhere in this county will turbines be allowed.
District Attorney Chuck Sullivan has to see if the proposed moratorium's on solid legal footing before offering counsel to the county commissioners on how to proceed.
But there's a balance to be had between the individual property owner's rights to be free from government intrusion and all of the rest of the citizens of Pittsburg County and the potential harm that these turbines can bring.
Reporting in Pittsburg County, I'm Douglas Braff, 2 News Oklahoma.